Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to be unboxing, demoing, reviewing this ESR HaloLock Kickstand wireless power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank that is MagSafe compatible. And it has a stand built into it so that you can use it for so many different things. And as always, with the ESR, you get really cool packaging. They are like the package kings because all of their stuff is so upscale and nice, and they just packaging just kind of tells you a lot about a company, and they always do a great job with packaging. You can see you do get a 24-month warranty with this product. And HaloLock. This does have HaloLock built into it. HaloLock is ESR's technology. It is super strong magnets they use on all of their stuff with HaloLock. Stronger than even the magnets that Apple uses on most of its MagSafe stuff. So they are strong magnets that will hold your phone with no worries at all. You see you've got the device here. You've got your instructions that give you all the pertinent information. And then let's just open this little accessory box real quick so you can see what's provided in there. And that is going to be your charging cord, because they give you what you need. So you've got a nice Type-C to Type-C charging cord in order to keep this powered. So let's set this stuff off to the side so that we can focus on the main attraction, which is this really sleek and beautiful 10,000 mAh wireless MagSafe compatible power bank. It does come in black or white. So this is the black version. There's also a white version, so you can get the one that you want to use. You can see that ring there and the little divot. That is the HaloLock technology. Again, those magnets are super strong. I'll be demoing those for you in just a second. First, let's take a quick look at all the different features of this device. Down here on the bottom, you've got LED indicators. Those let you know how much battery you have left, or when you're charging, how far you have to go to be fully charged. Over here on this side, you've got the power button. You hold that for 3 seconds to power it on. Over here, you have a Type-C port. That is an input and an output. What's awesome about this, besides the wireless charging, you can get through the MagSafe wireless charging here on the top. You can also charge wired here. And I'll give you a little bit more information about that in a minute, because that is a really, really cool feature. Here on the back, you've got the kickstand. You can see it just blends in with the power bank, but you lift that up and you've got different angles, so it will lock at that angle, or you can have it out at this angle so that it's a little bit more facing up, however you want to do it. But when it folds away, it's nice and smooth and not in the way at all. So really excellent design by ESR, as always. Now, let's check out that magnetic technology as well as the stand. As you can see, put that on there, boom, locks in place right away because this is powered, and as soon as you do that, it knows it immediately turns on, and you can see the little indicators down there. And you can open this up and you can see it works as a stand. What's great is because these magnets are so strong, it works not only in that vertical mode, but also works in horizontal. So you can put this on there and it'll work in either way. You can get the angle you want, so you can use this if you're on a plane as a way to watch videos and prop your phone up. You can use it by your bedside, and this is what's really cool. It does have pass-through charging. So you could use this as your nightly charger for your phone. You would just plug this into a Type-C cord and have this by your bedside, have that stand out, and you just throw your phone on there at night, and your phone is charging while you're sleeping. As long as you got that cord plugged in there, the power bank will be charging, but the power bank will also be wirelessly charging your phone. So that's awesome. You can have that pass-through charging, and you can just, if you're traveling, you take this with you. This can be your charger for your phone when you're at your hotel. You just put your phone on here and have it plugged in, and you're charging both. You're not only getting your phone fully charged, but you're getting a 10,000 mAh battery pack charge to take with you for extra power on the go. So that's really cool. Now, besides that, I mentioned that there's some cool things about that Type-C. This is capable of charging either a single device or 2 devices at once. Now, if you're charging a single device on the wireless charger, your phone's on this, you're going to get a maximum output of 7.5 watts. But if you plug your phone into the Type-C, so you have a Type-C to Lightning, you'll get a maximum of 20 watts of output, and that is fast charging. So you can fast charge your phone by plugging into the Type-C for wired charging. This could also be used to charge any device. So you could charge your earbuds, or you can charge another phone that's not an iPhone. Anything you have that needs charging, you can charge from this wired Type-C, and if you're only charging that device, you get up to 20 watts of power for fast charging. Now you can also charge two devices at once. So you can have your iPhone on the wireless charger charging, and then you could plug earbuds into this. If you do that, you get a 5-watt output on the wireless charging and 10 watts of output on the wired charging. But you are able to do that, two devices at once. So that is just really cool. This is just another excellent product by ESR. The design is nice. It's got a nice smooth design. Even if you wanted to use your phone while you were charging, it's got like a nice rounded back so that it makes it easy to hold. So you could hold this if you were walking around using your phone. I mean, you know, it's not small. You're not going to put this in your pocket. But if you're, you know, maybe you're at a hotel and you need to charge your phone, but you need to use your phone too. You could throw this on your phone and you could be just holding this and using your phone. Again, because it's that HaloLock technology, it's going to hold your phone without any issues, and you can be using your phone while it is charging, which is great. And it just, yeah, great design. The MagSafe HaloLock technology is super strong magnets. Being able to use your phone in vertical mode or horizontal mode, being able to use that stand at any angle that you want to use it at, being able to use this to charge your phone in an emergency or when you're on the go, but also being able to use it as your daily, nightly charger by having this plugged in and charging and just throwing your phone on there to wirelessly charge while keeping your power bank charged. Being able to charge two devices at once, or being able to charge a single device from the Type-C and even get fast wire charging when you really need to juice up quickly. Just a really excellent product with basically every feature you could possibly want in a portable power bank. 10,000 mAh and still fairly small. So really excellent design and beautiful product by ESR. Again, available in black and white. If you are looking for a portable wireless power bank for use with your iPhone, especially MagSafe iPhone, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.